The 2025 Tesla Model 3 takes everything that made the previous versions great and adds new features to enhance performance, technology, and design. For 2025, Tesla has updated the exterior design. The front fascia has been subtly reshaped to improve aerodynamics and give the car a more aggressive look. The new LED headlights provide better visibility. Inside, the 2025 Model 3 now comes with a larger 17-inch touchscreen that is even more intuitive. Tesla has improved the voice recognition system, allowing drivers to control more features with just their voice. Performance has also been upgraded. The long-range version now offers an extended range of 363 miles on a single charge. The performance model has been fine-tuned even faster acceleration with a 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.1 seconds. Tesla has also made significant improvements in driver assistance features. The autopilot system now includes enhanced self-parking and automatic lane change capabilities, making long drives easier and safer. When it comes to charging, the 2025 Model 3 takes advantage of Tesla's next-gen superchargers. These allow faster charging speeds, adding up to 195 miles of range in just 15 minutes. In terms of safety, the 2025 Model 3 now features a more rigid structure for better occupant protection, and the car is engineered to have exceptionally low rollover risk, which increases driver and passenger safety in all conditions. Tesla has also reinforced its crash protection with additional sensors and cameras. The Tesla Model 3 starts at around $39,990 for the standard range plus. The long-range, all-wheel drive variant is priced at $47,490, while the performance model begins at $54,990. Prices may vary based on region, taxes, and any changes Tesla makes to its pricing. Always check Tesla's website for the latest updates. Overall, the 2025 Tesla Model 3 is an exciting leap forward, offering an even more refined driving experience, better range, and cutting-edge technology. If you're looking for the best electric sedan on the market, the 2025 Model 3 is the one to beat.